Hello again, and welcome to another ASMT video. This is Daniel, and this video is the demo for ASMT-11 Lecture Video Analytics. The goal of this story is to add lecture-level analytics to the lecture's detail page. In this case, the expected information is the creation date, average completion, length, and maybe some other variables. Let's get along with the demo. Coming from the course page, we see the lectures related to this course. Clicking on the lecture, we see some details that are lecture level aggregate. In this case, the average time viewed is the average time viewed for all the students associated with this course, as well as the average completion. Information such as the length of the lecture and the date posted are here to help frame this data for the students. In this case, you'll be able to tell by using the date posted, just to review yourself, as well as things like the viewing start, the last time the video has been viewed, and to go ahead and put the amount of time viewed in frame. So you can see in this case, the student has watched the video over 3 times. As always, thanks for watching.